Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Samsung TV. So you can click on the settings button if you have it on the remote. If not, just click on the home button on your remote. Go to the home page here, and then what you want to do is move left. And then you just want to go down to settings right there. Let's select that, and then we're going to go to all settings right there. From here, we're going to go down one to sound, select that. And now we're at sound output. Currently it's coming out of my TV speakers, but we want it to come out of these earbuds. So we're going to select sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list, select that. Now see that spinning thing there on top right there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, okay? But these aren't going to show up yet because we got to put these into pairing mode. All right, so let me grab the earbuds. The buds are in the case. Let me open these up. Now we'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these lights here is blinking blue slowly. Blue, blue, blue. I get two solid white lights. Let me manually put these into pairing mode. There's a button here on the back. Let me press and hold for 2 seconds or until the light turns blue. Now wait. Now it's blinking blue slowly. So it's in pairing mode. Now let's jump over here. It's still scanning. That thing is still spinning. So let's see if it found it. Let's go. Oh, there we go. The Bose needs pairing. Go ahead and select that. Pair and connect. Let's select that. Give it 1 second. There we go. We are now connected. And let me move up here. You can see all these other ones are just paired, but this one, the Bose Open Earbuds Ultra, it is connected. Now it's not. Anyway, if you guys had issues connecting or putting this in the pairing mode, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.